mean, it's... Okay, so... Okay. So, my goodness. 54. I'm gonna use some cobble up first, and then we'll think of something to do. Just, thank you. Jeez. Okay. I actually want to make it out of wood, so it's like more noticeable and stuff. And stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, yeah. Good stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, jeez. Excuse me. Give me this one. We don't really need that one. To be right there. We need this one. What I got an axe for. Yes. Okay, now just build the rest out of cobblestone, I guess. If we have enough. Mother. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Jesus Christ. Oh. There's a bunch of cobble in here. I know it's kind of hard to see here. What the? There we go. God, like my computer keyboard is not working. Okay. Just getting some more cobble and stuff. I really hate this machine, I really do. I just want to toss it out my window. I don't even know why it does that. Oh, this actually looks pretty nice. Okay. Alright, I'm actually going to keep this like this. Put like a window here or something. Okay. We can get down there easily. Okay, looking good for now. Let me just lay these down. So, boom, boom. Heal up my avian stuff. Oh. And, we'll go mine some coal. Coal, need some coal real fast, and I saw some when I was passing over here, I think. Oh, that's not coal. Oh, there we go. Okay. My God. I think we're gonna be set on coal for a while. Yep, for a while. Come on, pickaxe, don't run out, don't run out. Ooh, level 1. Holy crap. 23 pieces. And stuff. Alright, well, and to end this episode here, please leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe, and comment part of everyone in the Everyone Army, and, yeah, leave a comment down below, and, tell me how it did, and as always, have a good day.